And days after a 45-year-old man was beaten to death and a 65-year-old seriously injured by a mob in western Uttar Pradesh's Hapur district, a second video from the day of the incident once again points to the fact that the mob had assaulted the two Muslim men on cow slaughter allegations. In a 1-minute video posted on social media, the mob can be seen abusing and hitting 65-year-old Samuddin, at times pulling his beard. Now the mob tries to force the man to say he was slaughtering a cow in his field. Blood can be seen on the clothes of the person. Another video filmed around the same time showed 45-year-old Qasim lying on the ground and begging for water, which the mob refused. Qasim later died in hospital. A photo of him being dragged in the presence of policemen has forced the top brass of the UP police to apologize. The families of both the victims held a press conference in Delhi on Friday, alleging attempts by the police to cover up the incident by shifting the narrative to a road rage case over right of way for motorcycles.
Well, first of all, just to give out some details of the second video, this is also from Monday afternoon when the assaults in Hapur took place. Now, this shows 65-year-old Samuddin, the man who's fighting for his life in hospital, being assaulted, heckled and abused by a mob. And the mob is trying to put words in his mouth, asking him to accept that he was trying to slaughter a cow in his fields when he was caught by these people. Now, Samuddin, you can see, is very, very scared. There is blood dripping on him. You can see it on his clothes, and he just mumbles a few words and he's assaulted repeatedly. It's another shocker from the same place where you saw another video over the last 2 or 3 days of Qasim, the man who died, lying on the ground begging for water, and even that water was denied to him. A photo later of him, Qasim, being dragged through that village where the assault took place in the presence of policemen has forced the UP police to apologize. Now, in the last 24 hours, the family members of both these men have spoken out and said that the police is trying to cover up the case by insisting that it is one of road rage involving motorcycles and has nothing to do with cow slaughter allegations. But Anand Kumar, the Additional Director General of Police Law and Order in UP, told us in a phone interview yesterday that there will be no cover-up, and that if further allegations are made or if a further complaint is filed by the family members, then they will put those sections or put those things in the FIR that has been filed. But the question is the police also willing to take suo motu cognizance of all of this? Are they willing to investigate these angles and come to the truth of these allegations, given the kind of shocking videos and pictures that are emerging?